distant planet long ago. A genetic experiment fails. A civilization dies. The result, the Sectaurs. A strange combination of man and insect. Dargon, leader of the forces of good, and Dragonflyer battle evil Spydrax and Spiderflyer. You control every move of Dargon and Spydrax and their insectoids. This is Heroic Pinsor, another defender of good, and his attack Crawler. Help him prevent the evil Skulk and his treacherous insectoid from discovering the secrets of the ancients. Secrets buried long ago when the last survivors hid them deep within the planet. Now you control the Sectaurs' every move, and the ultimate battle for survival is in your hands. Collect the fierce armies of Dargon and Spydrax with their attack insectoids and fierce legions of warriors. Sectaurs by Coleco.